You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this molecule and medication? We'll be looking at how to say more medical terms as well. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's break down the pronunciation of this name. Cefixime. Stress on that fix syllable. Cefixime. Cefixime. Did you get this? Cefixime. Yeah, now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate your support. It helps a lot. Thanks for that. And more videos for you here. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.